Welcome to ThemeXriver. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy your subscription plan and set it up step by step. Let's begin.
To buy, simply click on your preferred plan. Now, enter your email address to continue. Review the plans, then select the one you want to purchase. Provide your card information and complete the purchase. Click on View Order to access all your files. You can download and use them anytime. Buy a subscription once, and you'll get all current and upcoming themes. Every week, 2 to 3 new themes are added. All files are available here for download. Download the files from here and start using them on your website right away. All the themes you've purchased are available here, ready to use. At ThemeXriver, you'll find premium themes for every niche, all at affordable prices, and full support anytime. Thanks for being a part of the ThemeXriver community.